Hello everybody, this is going to be a very quick video here just to let you all know that I am in the process of making some more videos here um, and getting up the pace of the videos. Just want to let you know that tomorrow we will have the review of yesterday's round one games. We will be going through all of those, and then we will also be um, doing a video on the NBA as well. I just want to let you all know that on the because it's almost time for the playoffs in the NBA, which I haven't covered at all this year. So we will be doing that as well, and we will see about potentially doing one more video on Major League Baseball. But yes, do not miss my recap of round one, day one of the NCAA tournament. Thank you all.